You know what the real problem with robot vacuums are? They're just What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I partnered with Ecovacs to show you their latest and greatest, the Deebot T20 Omni. This has everything that you would ever need in a robot vacuum, and it even has some tech that I've never seen before, and it's the easiest piece of tech that you will ever use. It makes you feel super guilty for being so lazy. It's a real problem, and this is the perfect companion to my Deebot X1 Plus that I've been using for over a year, so should you add this to your smart home? Let's not waste any time and just jump right in. If you pick one of these up for yourself, here's what comes inside the box for the unboxing fans. You get the base where the T20 Omni charges and empties itself. It even has a clean and dirty water tank for the mop, so you don't even have to worry about that either. It also comes with another box. First you see the two Osmo Turbo 2.0 brushes. These do separate, so you can wash them if you want, but you don't have to, and I'll show you why later. You get the power cord for the base station and a brush for maintenance, which comes in handy. Next up are the two side brushes, and they are color coded, so just match the colors up and pop these on before you set it up. You get a lot of bathroom reading here, but you get a small brush, which is very useful for cleaning the filter, so make sure you grab that. And of course, the Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni. The design is so clean. This is one of the nicest designs on a robot vacuum in my opinion. Let me know what you think about it. I love that the base station this time is white. It matches my home decor perfectly, which I'm very happy with. For size comparison, the base is larger than the one that I have on my Deebot X1 Plus from last year. The magnetic cover is so great, it's easy to pop off and get to the filter and dust canister if you need to. This empties itself, but the filter does need cleaning once in a while, so this is how you get to this. I mentioned easy earlier, so let me go over the many reasons why I say that. First is the setup. Everything is done through the Ecovacs Home app on iOS or Android. Just scan the QR code beneath the top cover and the app will step you through the entire process. Just make sure that you flip on that red switch to start a connection, and it's that simple. There might be a software update, so make sure you do that first so you can take advantage of all of the new features. And then I suggest that you use the quick mapping feature. This only took me about 5 or 6 minutes for my entire downstairs. I can't believe how fast this is. It uses all of the sensors that you see here to make a 3D map. And after it's done, you'll have a full map to customize. The software has so many features that you can get as crazy as you want, or you can just set it on auto and just let it do its thing. I think we're all familiar with what robot vacuums do already. They go around and pick up dirt and even mop hard flooring areas. And it's so convenient because it's more of a maintenance thing that gets done every day, so you aren't stuck wasting an entire day away from your family cleaning up. I've been using robot vacuums for so long, I don't remember life without them, and I'm not sure if I can live without one anymore. Let me know if you agree. The problem that I've had with almost every one of these that has a combo vacuum and mop is that it's hard to run them at the same time. Sometimes the mop portion is wet, then it goes onto the carpet, and a lot of times you have to take it off and scrub them out, or if you use disposable ones, you're just making more waste, so it can be kind of a mess. But the Ecovacs T20 Omni I think solves all of those problems. I have a mixture of tile and rugged areas, and the great thing about the T20 Omni is that you can have it vacuum and mop at the same time, because what it can do is lift the mopping plates up to 9 millimeters so it can completely clear your carpeted or rugged areas, so it can seamlessly switch between the two modes. I think this is a game changer because you don't even have to think about it. But if you rather have control and have it vacuum before mopping, or you just want it to mop only, you have that choice right in the app. This mopping system isn't one that just drags cloth across your floors and collects dust, or even one of those that only vibrates back and forth. This is a full rotating mop that is pressurized where it can scrub for a deeper clean. So fun fact, these can rotate up to 180 times per minute, so I've noticed the floors being much cleaner compared to my previous mop systems that I've used before. With last year's flagships, we saw Ecovacs models have a self-cleaning mop washing feature on the charging base, so your floors don't have to be cleaned with the same dirty mop head. But this year they took it to the next level, and now you get hot water mop washing right inside the base, and the water goes up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius, so that's going to get rid of that bacteria and give it a more effective mop pad clean. This is the first time that I have personally seen this on a robot vacuum, so let me know if you think this is a killer feature. When it comes to just vacuuming in general, it performs exactly like I thought it would. It is a flagship vacuum and I expected nothing less. I'm a fan of these rubber brushes. I think they're much easier to clean when you need to, and in my experience, I don't get as many tangled objects. The T20 Omni is full of sensors all over, and it also has a LiDAR sensor on the top, so it avoids objects like it should, so you don't have to worry about it sucking up a toy or cables left on the ground. Parents, you know what I'm talking about, so I know that you'll appreciate this. I think another thing that sets this vacuum apart from other flagships is the software. It's just so easy to use and you have so much control over your clean. I love the new housekeeper mode where it will use its TrueDetect 3D sensors to scan your home for dirty areas and adjust the clean accordingly. So if the carpet is dirtier than usual, it will increase the clean in that area, which I think is great. There's even a edge deep cleaning mode, which you can switch on from the app, where every 7 days it will rotate the body while cleaning to get closer to the edges and deep clean them. Again, you can just let this rock on auto mode, but you can control everything with the customized cleaning scenario if you want. So if you want the center of the living room to clean twice every day, you can set that apart from the rest of your home. You can choose the cleaning efficiency from standard, deep, or fast. Choose the cleaning time, the suction power. You can schedule the clean if you like, so you can only have it clean at night or the morning time when you leave for work. I mean, you can even choose the mopping wetness, the cleaning intervals, the hot air drying time. It's really mind-blowing how much this caters to the fully auto crowd or to the person that wants complete control of their clean. This really is the ultimate robot vacuum. I personally love it because I just want things to work. All I really had to do was fill up the clean water tank, and I love the fact that the vacuum just empties waste on its own. There is a dirty water tank, so you will need to empty that once in a while. But all of that info is right in the app. And even though I've only been using this for about a week now, Ecovacs says that it can go up to 60 days without replacing the dust bag. So this is the perfect cruise control smart home vacuum. The 5,200 milliamp hour battery should be fine for most homes to be able to clean with one single charge. But if you have one of those huge mansions, don't worry, it will go back to the charging base, recharge, and it will go and resume and finish the job. So no worries there. If you want to take the laziness to the next level, you can just use the built-in voice assistant Eco to tell it to clean. You can even tell it to clean a specific room if you want to, or just around a piece of furniture if you want. You can also use Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can use your favorite smart speaker to trigger cleans or put it into automations. So with all of these features, this is the robot vacuum that you want to put on your radar for your next smart home. I will leave a link below so you can check current pricing, because you never know when these will go on sale. And if you want more info about this vacuum, you'll find it there as well. And also, if you're not looking for the highest end cleaning solution, Ecovacs has a bunch of different robot vacuums in lots of different price categories. So make sure you just take a look to see which one fits you best. My 1 week experience with this really had me thinking though, there is a major problem with these vacuums today. You know what the real problem with robot vacuums is today? Is that they're just getting way too good. It's almost impossible to buy a bad one, even in different price categories. I feel like the robot vacuum category is the new smartphone. They're all pretty good, but it's the specific features that help you with your lifestyle that really counts. I think the Ecovacs T20 Omni is a nice upgrade though for 2023. The hot water mop cleaning feature is great, and even though I don't have long-term experience with the T20 Omni yet, if it's anything like my Deebot X1 Plus that I've had for over a year, which now lives upstairs by the way, so I'm a full Ecovacs household now, then I know it's going to be a good experience. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for the long-term follow-up on this vacuum in an upcoming smart home tour. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one.